my food.
Is that why you have to slap me?
Mommy! Mommy!
Yes, Junior. What is it?
She beat me.
Starting when? For what?
Madam, I didn't beat him. Oh. I brought his food for him to eat. He now slapped me that I delayed his food.
And so what? If he slaps you, and so what? What gives you the right to beat my son? Wait, I don't understand. So I'm paying you for you to beat my son. Eh? I'm paying for you. If I slap you my own now, so you beat me too, Abby? I'm paying you for you to beat my son.
What's going on?
Honey, thank you very much. Can you believe that this woman, ordinary housemaid, beat our son? Imagine.
Madam Hope. Wait, are you sure what you are saying? Did you beat Junior?
Honey, you are still asking. You know me very well. Let's not be saying I'm respecting you. By now, this woman will be on the floor.
Just calm down first. I know Madam Hope. She can't do that. Did you beat Junior?
Oh God, I did not beat him. I brought his food for him to eat. He said I delayed the food. He now slapped me.
Junior slapped you?
Yes.
Junior, did you do that?
Yes, she delayed my food.
Oh! Can you hear it?
Babe, and so what? So what? Is she not an ordinary housemaid? If why will you delay my son's food? You don't want my son to eat. I'm paying you for you to do what?
Will you shut up? Will you shut up? So Junior has the right to slap her. For what? As who? Oh, okay, now I see. Because you are paying her, it means that anybody can maltreat her. Eh? I won't take this in this house, alright? I won't take it. And you know what? I'm taking my action right now. Madam Hope.
Sir.
I am the one that is paying. I've been paying her. Now, you can take 2 weeks off.
Is it like?
Oga, what did I do now? Oga, I did
No, I'm not sacking you. No, I'm not chasing you out. 2 weeks off. I'm still going to pay you for those days that you are going to be staying at home. Go and rest. I need to put things in place. Because I'm very sure things are not in place in this house.
What are you saying now? Why? 2 weeks off.
How can your son here slap her and what you should do is to scold her instead of scolding Junior? Madam Hope, please take this food inside for me. Junior is not eating this food again.
He will not even eat it. The food does not even.
Will you shut up?
Honey, this is not what you're supposed to be saying. Junior is your son. You're supposed to be siding Junior. This good woman. She's ordinary housemaid.
So because Junior is my son, Junior will be doing the wrong thing and I'll be siding him?
Okay.
Madam Hope, I'm waiting for you. Alright, you can leave. Will you stand up from there? Stand up from there. Stand up. Madam Hope, you can leave. No, you can leave.
Go! Must I shout? Rubbish.
2 weeks off. Don't worry, you can go.
If you're serious about this, you will do the work in the house. Now, what is 2 weeks off again?
Since all you can think of is Junior slapping this woman without you telling Junior that what he did is wrong, no problem. I guess you should be doing all the house chores. Listen to me. I'm not joking. Then after this, you will know how to respect and also how to treat people. Junior, let me tell you something. What you did was very wrong, and I'm telling you right away. Now, from now, before you go to school, you will wash the dishes. You do the dishes, and also mop the floor. Do you hear me? And you, for 2 weeks, you should be the one to wash my clothes and everything. That's your punishment. Maybe from there, I will know if she's coming back or not.
Oh no, she will come back. She will come back. No, I actually felt you are joking. Is she really going for it? Oh yeah, please, you know I'm busy now. How will I be doing all the chores in the house? I'll be washing plates, I'll be doing everything.
Okay, now you value her services.
No, I don't value her. Yeah, I value her services.
You value her services now. Okay, it means you are not supposed to at least side Junior for what Junior did. Now, I've told you, you will be the one to do the house chores for 2 weeks. And then maybe I can reconsider. So, Junior, right away, Go and do the dishes, please.
Honey.
You think I'm joking, eh?
No, kitchen. I'm sorry now. I'm sorry. Please bring her back, please.
Bring who back? It's just a week and you are bothered.
Please, no. I can't even let her for it. The work is too much for me. Please. Fine. I've realized how much I need her help and her assistance. Please just let me call her back. I'll fail too. Please, no. I'm sorry.
But I thought you were looking at her as a mere housemaid.
No, no, it's not like I was misunderstood.
Now listen to me. Listen to me. There are two things you need to learn. Respecting people and also how to bring up a child. No matter how much you're paying someone for the services they are rendering to you, you should still value those services they are rendering to you. They might reject you and your money. There are lots of people that are out there now, because of your character, they will reject you. Even if you give them all the whole money they want, they will still not render those services to you. Because you're rude. You don't care about humanity. Secondly, you are supposed to train your child from now. Even the Bible says, train up a child in a which he should go, and when he is old, he will not depart from it. The way you are bringing up Junior, is it the right way for him to be slapping an old woman like that?
Please help me to go. I'll beg her by myself. I'm honestly sorry. All this work is too much for me. Please.
Thank God you've already made an option. You will beg her by yourself.
I'll beg her by myself.
You apologize to her with your child. With your child, you apologize to her.
Yes. I'll apologize. Even if it's not, let me call her now. She'll start coming now. I'll apologize. Please, now. Please, I'm sorry.
Alright, I've heard you. I'll call her.
Like this?
I'll call her.
Thank you. Let me go inside. I'm coming.
Thank you for watching this video. You can use the share button if you wish to. Thank you.